that we have our paper cut out in the white for the hat, and then I've cut out the yellow from Astrobright, Cut Cardstock, and I'm going to attach this at the top of the hat before I fold it up. Now, the other thing you want to do is you're going to want to roll, if your paper is really thick, like mine is, you're going to want to roll, as you can see I've kind of rolled the paper so that it doesn't fight me as I try to put it together. Okay, so I'm going to put the star in there, and then I'm going to run some tape here on the tab, and then we're going to roll this around and put the tab into the slot. Oh, my star is coming out. Let me stick that down again. Right, and I'm going to give that a bend as well because it doesn't want to roll. There we go. Okay, so now I'm just going to stick that tab in there, tuck everything in correctly. There we go. And then just give that tape a push. Now you'll notice that you also have slits here on both sides to put your elastic string in. So there is your party hat with the stars cut out and a star on the top.